Hey there, guys. It's Jami Jo from Jami Jo Sells Wax, and I am so excited because I have the answer to your question. When is the best time to start with Scentsy, to start a side hustle with Scentsy? And the answer is now. The answer is now. Guys, like I said, my name is Jami Jo, and I have had a partnership with Scentsy Fragrance for 15 years now. I started with Scentsy all the way back in 2008, and I have loved every single minute of it. But if you clicked on this video, chances are you are considering a partnership, a business, a side hustle, whatever you want to call it. You're thinking of jumping on board with Scentsy. And I am here to tell you the time is right now. We're going to talk about the starter kit and how awesome it is this month. But maybe you've been watching my videos for a while and you're like, Jami, you say that every month. You say that all the time. When's the perfect time to start? Now. That's because any time is the perfect time to start with Scentsy. When you're ready, that's the perfect time. Everyone's timing is going to be different, but I am here to tell you about the special deals that Scentsy has on their starter kit. For this month, we are in October of 2023, and they have really taken that starter kit and kicked it up a notch for you. But we have starter kit specials all the time. So maybe you're watching this video after October, completely fine. Reach out to me, message me, text me. You can reach me at 918-888-9690, and we can talk about what the starter deal is at the time that you're ready to jump on board. But we are in October of 2023, and it is a great time to start your Scentsy partnership. I want to show you all the awesome goodies, and you're gonna get this entire shelf full of stuff. We're gonna flip through and look at some of that in just a second. But first, I wanna tell you what's super, super cool about the starter kit in October of 2023. Did any of you guys have a grandma that did ceramics or loved ceramics? And at Christmas time, she had this super cute Christmas tree, ceramic Christmas tree, and it had real light bulbs on it and it lit up. Maybe it looked a little something like this right here. Guys, this is a Scentsy warmer. How cute is that? How adorable. And if you join this month, you're gonna get that warmer for free in your starter kit. Now, it is our warmer of the month for November. And guys, it's not a cheap warmer. This is a high-end warmer, and Scentsy is going to throw it in the starter kit in addition to all the normal goodies that you get, but they're gonna make it even better. They're also going to send you this bag with all of the holiday fragrances. We're gonna go through those in just a second. They're going to send you a packet of the holiday brochures so you can start sharing that immediately with your customers as well. So this holiday set of fragrances, you're gonna get 5 different scents. You're going to get Rum Pum Plum, which is quite the tongue twister. You are going to get Cranberry Candy Cane, already a favorite. You will get Sleigh Ride. You know we have to have a pine fragrance in a Christmas set. Vanilla Barnwood is the fragrance for those that like woodsy and lighter fragrances. You are going to get Cherries Jubilee. My customers are already loving that one as well. You're gonna get them in that super cute little bag. So that Christmas tree warmer, that set of holiday wax, that package of holiday brochures is in addition to our regular kit. Now, let's just kind of scan through super fast and look at what is in this kit. So I don't forget to show you, I've had this on my shoulder. You are going to get an insulated tote bag. It might look a little different than this one. We have a few different ones, but you're going to get a tote bag in your starter kit. Of course, you need a warmer so you can showcase what Scentsy is all about. Yes, we have tons of different products, but our company started with and is still based on wax and warmers. So you're going to get a warmer. It's either going to be this one or the satin black. So it'll be shaped the exact same way, but it's a matte black. You're going to get a bar of black raspberry vanilla. You're going to get a bar of Luna. You will also get a bunch of scratch and sniff stickers. I think you get 4 packs of them of different fragrances. Those are super cool. I mean, remember the nostalgia. We talked about the nostalgia of that Christmas warmer. Now let's jump back to elementary school when you did a good job on one of your papers in elementary school and your teacher put a scratch and sniff sticker on there. How fun was that? You can use those scratch and sniff stickers. You can put them in your catalogs. I like to put them on my Happy Mail or any mail that comes out of my house. It always has a rub and sniff sticker on there and smells so super yummy. So those are just a really fun way to showcase fragrances for your customers or potential customers. You are going to get a car bar in Amazon Rain, so you can try that product out. You will get a travel twist. I believe it comes in the vanilla bean buttercream. This is a Luna one, but you're going to get vanilla bean buttercream. You're going to get one of these mini fan diffusers along with some pods of Amazon Rain. I also have up here a spray bottle of Counter Clean. You're going to get that. This black bag is tucked full of testers that you can take around. You get samples, you get catalogs, you get order forms. Guys, you're going to get everything that you need to start a successful Scentsy business, and more than that even. If you already have some of these products and you've already used them and you know that you love them, you can do whatever you want with these products. Perhaps you loan them out to potential customers so they can give them a try. You can use them as host gifts when someone supports your business by opening a shopping link or having a party for you or an event for you. You could even sell these products for retail price and recoup some of the cost of your Scentsy kit. Let's talk cost, because I haven't even brought that up yet. You're going to get all of that. Everything on the shelf, the nostalgic Christmas warmer, the Christmas scents, and the holiday brochures, all for $99 plus tax and shipping. I'm in Northeast Oklahoma. Mine comes to about $118, but all of that for $99. That's freaking amazing. Guys, you can't start very many businesses for just $99. Now, maybe you're so excited about this Scentsy opportunity, but still that $99 is a bit of a stretch for you. I totally understand that. My budget was once super duper tight like that too. And that's one of the great reasons to start a partnership with Scentsy, is for a side hustle to add a little extra cash to your family budget. If that describes you, there are other options. We have a host exclusive kit where if you host a shopping link with me or an affiliate link, or we can do all different kinds of things. I'd love to talk to you about the ways that we can do this. Anyway, if you do one of those things, host exclusive kit is $59, but you can use host rewards to put towards that and get it for $0 out of pocket. So it just takes a little hustling of the business before you actually sign up to share Scentsy with your friends and family, and then you can use those host rewards towards your host kit and get it even cheaper. So the most you'll ever pay to start your Scentsy business is that $99, but we can get it down to as affordable as $0. That's pretty affordable. Guys, Scentsy has been amazing for me. It started as a side hustle, then it turned into a little part-time gig, and now it is my full-time. I retired or quit my teaching job. I was a full-time teacher when I found Scentsy. Scentsy has been amazing for me. Not only does it support my family financially, but also they have great incentives of free trips. And I am a travel addict, so I love the opportunity to earn those free trips. They've sent me around the world on different trips with $0 out of my pocket. Just by working my business, I've been able to earn those awesome trips. So if that's something that entices you to, we definitely should talk. If you're ready to jump on board right now, just go over to JamiJoSellsWax.com, and up at the top, there is a tab that says Getting Started. Click there and it's going to take you through all the steps. If you want to talk to me a little bit more about this, I would love to chat with you. Just shoot me a text at 918-888-9690. Or you can find me on all the social media. Well, not all of them. You can find me on Facebook, on Instagram, and here on YouTube. So find me one of those places or shoot me a text. I would love to chat with you a little bit more about the opportunity that Scentsy has to offer you and what it can do for you. I think that's it. My name is Jami Jo, and I hope that you have a sensational day and really think about this opportunity. Our government likes people to look for jobs and not opportunities. Therefore, I'm required to tell you that results are not typical. Now, let's take a second to look at what the word typical means. The definition of typical is usual, ordinary, or average. No, these results are not average. But if you're willing to put in some work and take a chance on yourself, these results are possible. I'm here to prove it to you. It happened to me, and it can happen to you. Check out this document for all the details.